Yo, welcome to this morning routine of a full-time day trader, and I'm gonna be completely honest. This is gonna be no BS video, okay? I'm not gonna do no cold plunges, no positive affirmation. This is just caffeine and this stuff, okay? And then I'm gonna go into the markets, take a trade in front of you, and then after that I'm gonna simply teach the strategy to you quickly so you can actually start doing this every single day. And it's currently 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In 30 minutes the New York Stock Exchange will open and I will take a trade. But yeah, man, let's not waste any time. Let's get into the markets, take a trade, and yeah, I'll see you there. Let's go. All right, so there's this amazing opportunity for shorts right now. I haven't entered yet, but we got this nice MSS after taking daily time frame liquidity. Imagine that. So a lot of opportunities for shorts right now. If we do get the MSS, I'm in the third BOS. I'm gonna short the markets from here. I'm gonna put the stop loss above this auto block, and I'm gonna target below this right here. There we go. I should short the markets on Nasdaq. Yeah, we got this nice MSS. I do respect. Not MSS. This is better than MSS. This is like 3 breakout structures in a row, which is pretty cool, okay? And we are flowing to the downside now. Yo, that was so fast. That was actually so fast of a trade, bro. That's insane. Look at that. That was actually very nice. Very, very nice. Yo, let's do a quick little recap so you can actually learn from this one and do it yourself in the future. But essentially, as you can see, today's PNL, almost 2K, $1.9 thousand from this one single trade to the downside. Short position, so we predicted that the price is going to go down from here because this is a very nice shorting opportunity right here, because this is essentially, let me just explain you what happened so you can learn, okay? There was pretty obvious of a entry. We are bearish in the daily time frame, okay? As you can see, low lows, lower highs. What's mostly going to happen? Low lows, right? But there was also something called a liquidity sweep on the daily time frame, right? Swept this high right here. So obviously, most likely it's going to continue down the original trend in the daily time frame. Obviously, in the lower time frames, everything was bullish for a moment like this. As you can see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, etc., right? But we got in here, take out the liquidity. That is a perfect opportunity to look for shorts because everything else is bearish in the higher time frame, right? So it's like top-down analysis stuff. But yeah, essentially session open right here. We actually took out the liquidity. We didn't immediately react to that, but then we create this market structure shift. This is a one closure below the motion low, then we'll continue up. This is a low lows, lower highs, and another low lows, broke structure the second time. This is the MSS right here. But I was like, I want to wait a little bit because it started to a little bit consolidate sideways movement. So I wanted to see one more breakout structure to the downside. So this is a low low, lower high, low low. Third breakout structure, and I entered right there on the money, and I just wanted to target the end of this 50-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I targeted the end of this 50-minute fair value gap. That was a 1-to-7 reshort ratio, R multiple, 1.7 R multiple, and pretty nice trade, okay, as you can see. And pretty much, would I do this again? Absolutely. And this is exactly how you can follow the trend super easily to the opposite direction after sweep of liquidity, okay? You need to see the market structure shift. Very simple, effective, and happens every single day. But quickly, what is the trend? I just want to make sure you guys learn. Trend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is the uptrend, and then there's also the low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, downtrend, okay? When you say downtrend, you need to follow the trend. When there's the uptrend, you need to follow the trend to the upside, right? But in this case, you may wonder, what happened? The price was bullish in the lower time frame, and then there was a liquidity sweep. Then we saw the market structure shift. One closure below the motion low, then we'll continue up. Broke second time, that's an MSS, but I wanted to wait for more reaction. We saw the third breakout structure, and then I entered the market to the downside, MSS, and there you have it. That's actually my simple trading routine, trading morning routine. As you can see, there's no cold plunges, there's nothing crazy going on. All this is just music pumping on the speakers and just full focus on the charts. Pretty much that's what I do in the markets, okay? And also I stay caffeinated during the market session open, okay? Because I want you to just full focus and make the most out of it, okay? Right now you may have a lot of questions. You may wonder, well, what exactly is that market structure shift? How can I master that? How can I actually do the top-down analysis? How can I actually learn this stuff? How can I actually start trading from scratch and start making money on my own? Well, good question. If you actually want to learn everything and completely for free, then make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free trading course. Imagine that, completely for free. I could make you pay thousands of dollars, but I'm gonna keep it completely for free, just for you. So thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.